I'm really excited to be showing this to all of you. I want to do a side-by-side comparison of how speech recognition works on Windows using Dragon Naturally Speaking, on iOS, I'm on my iPhone right now, and on Android, and I'm on an Android phone. So these are going to be side-by-side at the same time. This is a very, very brief demonstration, and once you see what's going on here, I'm going to do some dictation and I'm going to do some editing. And this video is not to give you a lot of the how-to. I just want to show you what the comparison looks like, and we'll talk about it briefly. And then I'm going to create a whole range of other videos on what the differences are, and all the details of how you can make Dragon Naturally Speaking work better and improve your accuracy on a Windows machine. And then the different kinds of speech recognition on iOS, and then all the different kinds of options on Android. And so I will be giving you a lot more details in other videos. This is really just to do the comparison, and you for yourself can see what the differences are. I've chosen a passage of writing specifically because some of these words can be difficult for speech recognition. And what I will do in a separate video again is talk about why it is that some words and some language is more difficult for speech recognition. And then I'm going to give you some really great ideas on how to make some of this language easier for speech recognition. So anyway, I have a very specific paragraph, and I'm going to use it on all three of these and then show you what this looks like. So to turn on Dragon Naturally Speaking, which is where I'm going to be dictating into this window, I just turn my microphone on down here. I actually have a keyboard shortcut. I use Alt-C to turn my microphone on my Windows machine for Dragon. Then over here on iOS, I'm going to use this. This is an accessibility shortcut, and the way that I've set this up is that when I double tap on that, then my microphone turns on. And on Android, I'm going to use this button here, which is the built-in speech recognition icon for speech recognition on Gboard on Android. So let's get started. I'm going to do this slowly, turning on microphones, because I have to turn on 3 different microphones, and then I'm going to dictate. And because I'm dictating my text, I'm not going to be talking to you. I won't be discussing anything. I'm just going to be dictating right now. The school's science fair was bustling with inventive projects, period. Kevin, whose exhibit was nestled between a bubbling vinegar volcano and a solar-powered toy car, displayed his collection of minerals, period. Each one, from quartz to feldspar, had a unique, shiny facet that caught the fluorescent lights, period. Across the room, a duo of students attempted to pronounce the chemical names from their colorful poster about photosynthesis, stumbling over words like, open quote, chlorophyll, close quote, and, open quote, carbohydrate, period, close quote. In the corner, a homemade robot named Cap Gearloose attempted to navigate a maze, its gears grinding softly as it bumped into walls, while the whir of computer fans from the coding club's display filled the air with a persistent hum, period. So I've turned my microphones off so I can talk to you now. You will see that on Android, my microphone kept going off by itself. So I lost the last part of what I was doing there. So on Android, I have to constantly keep checking that the microphone is still on. On iOS, the microphone stays on the whole time, and so does Windows. And you'll see that on some of them, the punctuation works, and some of them, the punctuation doesn't work. So I have highlighted the difference in the recognition on both of these, and on other videos, I will give you a lot more information about how to work with each one of these programs. Thank you.